Hafsa, put on your camera.
Ma'am, it's not letting me put on my camera.
Oh, is it the case for a memo also?
Yes, ma'am.
No, like, yeah, it's only giving me like the button to unmute and mute my mic.
The meeting is not permitting you.
No, I think it's permitting everyone, but it's been happening like for me for the past few classes.
Oh, memo, for you, what is it happening? Please tell me.
Ma'am, I'll on in 5 minutes.
Okay, fine then. Okay, so children, now in the last class I discussed the surface area part was completed. I started with the volume part, right? So in volume part, we have discussed that volume of a cone is how much? 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? Where r is the radius, h is the height, and 1 by 3 is the... Okay, now what was the significance of this 1 by 3 when I compare the volume of a cone with the volume of a cylinder? Volume of cylinder is not there in your syllabus, but still, I explained you in the last class. What is the significance of this 1 by 3?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
See, children, volume of cylinder, when you divide the volume of cylinder by 3, then you get the volume of the cone. Okay, that is why you got this question 1 by 3 over here. Got it? Then these questions were done. From today, we'll be starting with the third question. Okay. I think third question was also done. Fourth question I have to start with. So fourth question, children, it says if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. Now, children, learn to understand what value is given to you by looking at its unit. 9 centimeter becomes the height and 48 pi centimeter cube, this is supposed to be the volume. Why? Because centimeter cube. Cube is always in the case of volume only, right? Find the diameter of the base. So to find the diameter, you will first find the radius. So we know volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is how much? 48 pi is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square. R square I don't know, into h. H is how much? 9. Pi and pi got cancelled. 3 into 1, 3 into 3 is 9. Then 48 divided by 3 you get is equals to r square. 3 into 1 and 3 into 6 is 18. So children, under root 16 is the value of r. So what is the value of r now? What is the value of r? 4 centimeter. Right? 4 centimeter. So now if radius is 4 centimeter, how much does diameter become? Diameter becomes twice of radius. So 2 into 4 is 8 centimeters. Right? Easy question.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidal, Hafsa. Tell me, children.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the question says a conical pit of a top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? So children, 3.5 meter is the diameter and 12 meter deep. That means height is 12 meter and diameter is 3.5. Okay. So first of all, from the diameter, you can find the radius. You can find the radius with the diameter.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
question 4. So diameter is how much? 3.5 meter. Height was 12 meter.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, Amar. Amar,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have started with the questions of the exercise, okay? Volume part I'm starting with.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's just a continuation of what we did in the last class. Just listen very carefully. Now children, we know volume is equals to again 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is equals to 1 by 3. Is the value of pi given? No, they have not given, so we will take 22 by 7 only into r square. So children, r square will become 3.5 upon 2. Oh, Mema, do not copy. And it's been long enough. I've been telling you don't copy while I'm teaching. Don't write anything while I'm teaching. Okay? 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5 upon 2. Understand how I am calculating. Okay? Then h becomes 12. Children, why did I do 3.5 into 2? Because it was diameter. So now I have to calculate radius and I have to square it. That's why. Now very carefully remove the decimal, put a 0. Remove the decimal, put a 0. Now you get these complex set of numbers. And you've got a lot of fractions, everything and multiply. You will do only step by step. What is the first step? You check if the numerator is cancelled in the denominator of the same fraction only. 1 by 3 can be cancelled, no. 22 by 7, no. 35 by 20, yes. 5 into 7, 5 into 4. 35 by 7, yes. 5 into 7, 5 into 4. 12 by 1, no. Nothing can be cancelled. Now check from opposites. Like over here, 4 into 1 and 4 into 3 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 11. 3 into 1 and 3 cancel. Okay, now nothing else can be cancelled. So in the first step, always cancel the numerator and denominator of the same fraction only. Why am I telling this? It does not make any difference if you're not doing it this way, but your calculation becomes neat and in an ordered format. Okay, and you will not get confused. So now what all is there in the numerator? 11 into, okay, 7 and 7 cancelled. 7 upon 2. So answer is 77 upon 2 meter cube. Answer is meter cube. But children, what do you have to do? You have to find answer in kiloliters. Kiloliters. In last class, I told you how to convert. Who will tell me what was the conversion? Yes, children. I
Ma'am,
told you,
conversion of meter to kilometer.
no, you can't convert. No, not kilometer, kiloliters. Like I told you one thing, volume of solids will be calculated in centimeter cube, meter cube, kilometer cube, such ways. And volume of liquids is calculated in calculated in what quantities? Tell me, volume of liquids is calculated in which quantities?
Liter.
Meter, no, for liquids.
No, milliliter and liter.
Milliliter, liter, kiloliter. Right, you remember? So what you have to do? You have to convert meter cube into kiloliters. So first of all, see, I told you in last class, what is the relationship between meter cube and liters? See, 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Children, focus. Oh, Mema, focus on the board. Where are you talking? And
Ma'am, can I
Amar, put
charge
on your
my
camera.
laptop?
Amar, put on your camera. Yes, Mema.
Can I charge my laptop?
Okay.
My camera is not working. I on the camera, but the camera is not working. I joined in the other device, that's why.
It's happening with everyone. Umaima, Hafsa is also complaining the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask the team once. Okay, children, I've dropped the message to the team. By the time, please look here. So I was telling you conversion. 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 meter. Now, children, this I explained you in last class. You remember? Now, what you will do is, whenever you have to see, do you know this table? 1 meter Amar and Hafsa. Children, what problem are you facing exactly? Can you tell me, please? For the camera?
Basically, it's like, no, it's like it's only giving me the feature to turn on my mic, like no other feature. That's it.
Okay, and Amar, for you?
Same like the camera, like I'm click on the camera button, the feature is not giving me the to turn on the camera. It's only giving me the to turn on the mic only.
Okay, children, for today it's fine, but children from next class onwards, please join 5 minutes prior and check to it whether all the settings are working or not fine. And then if you've got any problem, please try to join with another device. Okay?
Yeah, it's been
For this
happening for
meeting,
the past few days.
Okay,
so
ma'am, sure.
Hafsa, then please join with another device from the next class.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, sir? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am, okay.
Yes. Now I was telling you, conversion, please look here, very focused. Look on the screen. 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Okay, but now children, I have to talk about meter cube sometimes. Like convert meter cube into liter or convert centimeter cube into liter. Right? So what will I do? Children, if I try to find the relationship between decimeter cube and meter cube or with centimeter cube, I can do it very easily. Right? See, what happens is, children, 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? Is equals to how many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
100 centimeter. And 1 meter is equals to how many decimeter?
1000.
Decimeter? 10.
1000.
No.
What is decimeter?
See, you've got this table, right? Kilo, heka, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeter. Remember this table. Kilo, heka, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Now what happens is, in front of kilo, you can put kilometer, hecameter, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. This is the table. Just look at meter once. If you go below meter, you will multiply. You are going one step below. You get decimeter. So multiply with 10. So 1 meter will have 10 decimeter. You are going 2 step below. You have to convert meter into centimeters. So multiply with 2 zeros. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. You have to go 3 steps below to millimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 1000. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Okay, children? Apart, see, this will not be used in the chapter, but still I'm teaching you because this you all should know the conversions apart from this chapter also. Okay? Then kilo. Now see, if you are moving above, then what you will do?
Divide.
Divide. So 1 meter will have 0.1 decameter. Okay? This is decameter. Then 1 meter will have 0.001 hecameter. Then 1 meter will have 0.0001 kilometer. 1 second. This is 0.1 and this is 0.01. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This table, children, will you learn? Just learn the series. Kilo, heka, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeter. How many? Meter is in between 3 upwards, 3 downwards. If you're going down from meter, you multiply. If you go above from meters, you divide. Is this part clear or not?
Clear, ma'am.
But now liters does not come into this table. This table is only the interconversion of meter, decimeter, centimeter and all. Liter is not coming only. So for liters, you will remember this thing. 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Okay, 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So first of all, tell me how many meter are there in 1 decimeter? How many meters are there in 1 decimeter? Listen my question
10.
very. How many meters are there in 1 decimeter?
Oh,
Tell me in 10 decimeters, children, in 10
10 meters.
decimeters, you have 1 meter. So in 1 decimeter, how many meters will you have?
10 this.
No, Mema, that is not my question. Not 10.
You said 1 meter has 10 decimeters, then how much, like, then 1 decimeter will have how many meter?
Meters, exactly. Okay, look here. 1 meter has 100 centimeter, right, children? So will 1 centimeter also have 100 meter? No. 1 centimeter will have 1 upon 100 meters. So if 1 meter has 10 decimeter, so 1 decimeter has 1 by 10 meter. Not understanding? Confused? Tell me, children.
Understand?
Children, are you confused? I'm not able to understand.
Ma'am, I understood.
Yes, Bidel, Ammar, and Hafsa, please respond.
Yeah, I can't understand it.
Children, see, 1 meter has 10 decimeters. So I'm just simply asking you, 1 decimeter will have how many meter? 1 upon 10 meter it will have. So 1 decimeter cube will have how many meter? 1 by 10 meter. Just do the cube. So you get 1 by 1000 meter cube.
Oh,
Okay. So instead of 1 decimeter cube, I will write 1 by 1000 meter cube is equals to 1 liters. Got it? So that means 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Children, why am I not telling you to directly learn this? It's because you should know the concept so that even if you forget in your exam, you can remember. But if you're finding very difficulty in understanding the concept, just learn whatever I'm marking as a star. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to centimeter cube and liter then. So now children, again from this only we will try to convert into centimeter. 1 decimeter has how many centimeters now? 1 decimeter. See, decimeter to centimeter I have to go. So this is decimeter. From here I have to go here. So I will multiply with 10. So that means 1 decimeter has 10 centimeter. Okay? 1 decimeter has 10 centimeter. So 1 decimeter cube will have how many centimeters? 10 centimeter. Just do the cube. You get 1000 centimeter cube. So answer is 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liters. So these are the 3 different conversions that will be useful. Okay. But what I tell you is that learn only decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 meter. Why am I telling you this? Because meter cube and centimeter cube can be calculated from this formula only. If you want, you can learn all 3. If you want to go by conversion, you can do that. But children, just try to understand so that you are not making mistakes in conversions anymore. Note this thing down. First of all, note this table. Note this table. And you should know how to do the conversion, and then note these conversions also: decimeter cube, centimeter cube, meter cube, and so on.
Is
Ma'am,
now my
after
camera visible?
Yes, your camera is visible now.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
after
I think there was
centimeter,
some
what is
issue in the meeting.
What are you saying, Mema?
is that millimeter? Mm,
Last one is millimeter, mm.
okay. Done.
Yes, all of you have done. Tell me, children, shall I move to the next one? Yeah, so I was actually explaining you this question. How will you convert now 77/2 meter cube into liters, into kiloliters? Now again, first you convert into liters, then you do into kiloliters. So now what was the relationship between meter cube and liters? 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So 77/2 meter cube will have 77/2 into 1000 liters. So 500. Answer becomes 77 into 5. 3850 liter. But what you have to do is you have to convert into kiloliters. So for kiloliters, divide by 1000. 2 zeros cancelled. Answer is 38.5 kiloliters. So children, now what did you understand from here? I multiplied with 1000 to convert into liters. Then I divided by 1000 to convert into kiloliters. So did you learn any relationship over here? Try to search for a relationship. Can I have a direct relationship between meter cube and kiloliter? Children, what was written over here? 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. And 1000 liter is what? 1000 liter is 1 kiloliter. Children, 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. But 1000 liter is actually 1 kiloliter. So that means 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Do you
Yes,
understand? Okay. Now, before moving to the next question, I want to tell you one more relationship. So, right now, what do I have now? I have 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Can I now try to establish 1 centimeter cube also as something related? Might be the case. Let's try. I know 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. Okay. So if I bring this 1000 over here, so 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 by 1000 liter. So children, 1 by 1000 liter is actually equals to milliliter. 1 ml is only 1 by 1000 liter, right? 1 ml is 1 part of 1000 ml, 1000 liter. So 1 centimeter cube is actually 1 ml. Now children, again, let's rearrange this. Let's bring okay. Now it is written in this order, and now this is the exact relationship that I want to tell you. Children, you know, smallest is centimeter, then decimeter, and then meter is the biggest unit. Again, ml is the smallest, then liter, and then kiloliter you have. So can you learn this relationship now? 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml, 1 decimeter cube is 1 liter, and 1 meter cube is 1 kiloliter. Can we establish this relationship now?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
how now does all the calculations make sense? The previous calculations that we did that to make the concept, but now we've got a direct relationship. So I'll tell you, note this thing down, put a star mark, and just remember this thing. Now, anything that now, for example, the question says it is. See, you had a question in. Let's suppose 1570 centimeter cube is the volume. 1570 centimeter cube is the volume. And now I tell you, convert this into liters. Now again you get confused. You have to convert centimeter cube into liters. Now you don't know what was the relationship 1000, 100, what was it? You don't know. So don't learn. No problem. I just know one thing. 1 centimeter cube is equals to how many liters? How many milliliters? 1 milliliter. 1 centimeter cube was equal to 1 milliliter. So let's convert it into milliliter then. So that means 1570 centimeter cube is equal to 1570 ml. Right? Now, ml to liters, does it become easy? Milliliters to liters is very easy now. You just have to divide by 1000. Divide by 1000 and answer is 0.157 liters. Got it, children? So whenever now you will be doing questions of conversions, how will you do? You will remember these three things. What are they? Centimeter cube is ml, decimeter cube is liter, and meter cube is kiloliter. Please tell me, children. Children, tell me, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now what you will do is you will try question number 4 and 5 on your own. Try question 4 and 5 on your own and tell me the answers if you're able to do or not, or are you facing difficulty. Or children, is it fine if you take the screenshot and try it afterwards? I'll move to the next questions. Tell me, you can take a screenshot, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Please take a
ma'am.
screenshot quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone? If you'll have problem, don't worry. I'll discuss again in the next class. Okay? Just try it now because I've explained it very thoroughly. Okay, I want to move to the next question. So children, let's move to sixth question. Okay. Question number 6 says the volume of a right circular cone is given to you. Diameter is given to you. And you have to find the height. You have to find the slant height. Slant height was L. And you have to find the CSA. Very good question now. Volume and CSA, they are relating. Okay, do this question. Do it in a stepwise manner. First, find the height. From the height, you can find the slant height. Why? Because height and radius and slant height has got a relation. And then when you've got all these three quantities, you can come to the CSA. What is the CSA of a cone? Bedel, you tell me. What is the formula for CSA?
Yes, ma'am.
Bedel, what is the formula for CSA of a cone?
Yes, half by L into 2 pi r.
No. Hafsa, you tell me. What is the formula for CSA of a cone?
It's pi RL.
Very good. It's pi RL. Bedel, that means you're not revising the formulas. Children, in last class, I especially devoted time to formulas. I made you write the formula sheet. Does everyone have that sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I don't know where it go now. Okay, so children, just try this question number 6, okay? Try question 6 and tell me the answer. Children, if you're done, shall I discuss the answer?
1 minute.
Children, it's been long now. Let's discuss, okay? Tell me, shall I discuss? All of you have completed? Children, no respond at all. Ammar, tell me, have you done? Ammar, have you done or not? Videl,
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Umema,
No, mom.
Hafsa.
Yeah.
Hafsa and Ammar, children, your camera is off. That I'm allowing for today, but doesn't mean that you're not respond also.
No, I'm not done.
Okay, everyone look here. Volume is 9856 centimeter cube. Given that diameter of the base is 28 centimeters, so the radius becomes 14 centimeter. First, you have to find the height. So we know volume is equals to pi r square h. Seven into two is 14. Okay, then nothing else can be cancelled. So 9856 into 3 divided by 22 into 2 into 14 is equals to 5. 2 into 1. See, just check by 11 first. 11 into 8 will be 88. Okay. Then ten will be carried. 105. 11 into 9. Yeah, see. 11 into 8, 11 into 9, 11 into 6, 11 into 2. Then 2 into 1, 2 into 4, 2 into again 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and 2 into 4. 224. So you got 224 into 3 by 14. Check directly by 14 only. Or see, 7 into 2 is 14, 7 to 3 is 21, 7 to 2 is 14. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 6 is 12. So height becomes 48 centimeters the height. Did someone get 48 centimeter? Did you get 48 centimeter or not?
No.
Why no? Children, do this part quickly and tell me you all getting 48 or not. Children, now I'm moving to the second part. Slant height you have to find. So again, you've got the relation L square is equals to h square plus r square. So h square is 48 square plus r square is 14 square. Forty-eight into 48 is 2304 into 196. When you add, you get 2500. And under root of 2500 is how much now? 50. So L is 50. Children, the calculations for this is easy only. Why were you not able to do? Okay, now CSA. CSA becomes pi RL. 22 by 7 into radius into L. 2200 centimeter square. Do not forget to put a square. Okay? Like this you will get, children. Children, shall I move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hafsa?
Yeah.
Okay. So come to the next question. It says there is a triangle ABC. Okay, this is the resolving one. Leave it for now. Leave question 8 also. Come to question 9. First, we'll make calculations faster, then we'll come to conceptual questions also. These are important. See, there is a heap of wheat in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter. So radius becomes 10.5 by 2 meter and height is 3 meter. Okay, you have to find the volume. So children, try doing this question again. Okay. And then you are covering the heap to protect it from the rain. So find the area of the canvas. So here you will be finding CSA. So first find the volume, then find the CSA. For CSA, you will calculate L also. Okay, children, do this question. Yes, children, are you done? Have you completed the question?
No, almost.
Okay, look on the screen. I'll discuss the answer. First of all, volume, how will you find? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this becomes 105 by 20. So you cancel this and find the volume. Then, children, you will find the length, the slant height, L, and then